Using Canva's smart mockups to create posts is a fantastic thing to do. I know I say that about a lot of these things, but you can do so much with Canva to help improve your business, your graphics, your reach, your social media following. It's awesome. So, this mini tutorial is all about using the smart mockups. There were just a few, but now there's absolutely loads, and they're a fantastic thing because you can create product mock-ups without actually having to get your camera out and set everything up yourself. So I'm going to show you quickly how to put together a post. Now I'm thinking I'm going to create like a new collection, a new product launch type post. It's not something I do because I'm service-based, so bear with me. Okay, so I'm going to go create a design. I'm going to use Instagram posts because I'm going to create something to go on Instagram. First of all, we need a photo. It's got to be a PNG file, okay? So in your uploads, either add an image or use one of the images from Canvas library. This is actually one of my designs that I've downloaded as PNG and I've uploaded it into my upload section. So I'm going to use this as the main design for my product launch. Right, so click on your image, then go over to Effects, and you will see this section here, Smart Mockups. You may have to connect it. When you first come to use this, you do need to click Connect, which will be here, and then it will automatically connect you to Smart Mockups, and you will be able to click See All, and then have all of the options available. So as you may have guessed, each one of these, as soon as you click on it, it will put your PNG file over here directly into the space on the image, giving you an instant mock-up for a product. There are absolutely loads of different styles that you can use, and I imagine more will be added as it progresses. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, I like this one, I'm going to create a t-shirt. So I've clicked on this graphic and Canva is now doing its thing to add my design directly into this image. So I now have an image here that I can use to create my new product launch. I'm going to move it about, just stretch it out a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's added my image into the t-shirt. You've got the creases and everything in there. I want to add something down here, so I'm going to add a few products. So I need to go back to my uploads, click on my image again, effects, and then smart mockups. I'm going to scroll down, show you a few more. There's business cards and frames and posters, books as well. If you're an author, if you've written your own book, there are some book mockups here as well. T-shirts, sweaters, so you've got ones with backgrounds and people wearing them, but then you've also got ones without a background. And then you've got mugs, lots of different mugs at the bottom. So I'm going to pick, what shall we pick? I'm going to pick a hoodie. Okay, so that's added my design to the hoodie, just the front. It doesn't give you the arms and the legs, or the arms and the pockets even. But what you can do is add another image, go to Effects, Smart Mockups. You have to keep adding the images, and you will see that there is actually the back of a hoodie as well. So you can do a front and back view. There. I'm going to also add, it's quite repetitive because you have to keep adding your image and then adding in the smart mockup and then going back to add the image again. Okay, so we've got a t-shirt. I'm going to delete the front of the hoodie, so we've just got the back. We've got our new collection. I am going to add a mug as well, I think, to this. So not only do we have a clothing range, but we have a product range as well. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to pick the mug. And you can see it adds it in for you. You don't have to worry about it yourself. And then we have a mug. But obviously I want to add some text to this. So I'm kind of going with a retro feel here. So I'm going to go elements and I'm going to type in tape. Now I love the little tape elements we have. These are brilliant. I'm going to rotate and pop it over here. And text, I'm going to say new collection. I'm going to put it on top and rotate it so I can add it there. And I'm going to use the same font as I used within my 80s disco graphic because I'm keeping on brand. We want to keep on brand. I'm going to go white. And then I'm just going to copy that. Just pop another one down here. Copying is great because you know everything is going to be identical. Coming soon. So this is my very quick version of creating a product launch graphic. And also because this is an image, these are images, I've clicked the background, gone over to colour, and it's showing me the main colours from each of the images. So I can keep even my background colour on brand. So that's just a quick way of just showing you how to use the smart mockups in Canva. If you're a product-based business, you can add your products to any of these. It's perfect for clothing companies, it's perfect for retail companies. If you have a book launch, you can also see that there were a lot of computers, mobiles, phones and tablets in there as well. So if you're a service-based business, you could have a graphic advertising your services, your website homepage, for example, your logo can all go onto these. And then you can create around that a graphic that advertises and promotes your business, your products and your services. So that's just a quick rundown of smart mockups. I hope you've enjoyed that and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.